Holiday Inn and Suites Siracha Laemchabang is a 4-star hotel by IHG chain, located in the industrial estate and not too far from beachside. The hotel is worth the pay for long stay guests, especially who work in industrial estate. This hotel is convenient located along main road to the eastern provinces. It is easy to access 1.5 hours from Suvarnabhumi Airport and 30 minutes from Pattaya Beach. The main target is a long-stay worker who works in the industrial estate, not recommend for the tourists because it is decorated with the kitchenette and laundry. But if you are okay with the room fare and distance to traveling place, it is up to you. As a Diamond Ambassador member, I was upgraded from standard room with balcony to 1 king bed, 1 bedroom suite with balcony. The kitchenette is at the right of the entrance, including the laundry. I have room number 2715. The room faces to north side, Siracha City Center. Room size is okay. Separate bedroom and living room area. The king-size bed is comfortable. The working desk and the closet are another side of the room. The bathroom has a separate walk-in shower and bathtub. Happy hour promotion is served at the ground floor bar. There is a 7-Eleven nearby but no alcohol sale. The main restaurant on the 8th floor also serves for dinner. For breakfast buffet is available at the main restaurant on the 8th floor. They serve East and West breakfast buffet experience. Japanese food is highlight. There is a 25-meter outdoor swimming pool which offers industrial estate views from the 8th floor location. Fitness center is on the 8th floor, which is well equipped with featured machine weight, treadmill, cycles, and ellipticals. Personally, I think it's worth the pay for long stay guests, especially who work in industrial estate. However, room rate is quite low compared with other hotels nearby. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.